Hello, my rhyming timing friends. Today we are writing the IP family in cursive. Dip, hip, rip, sip, tip. Can you think of any other IP words that I forgot? I can think of one or two. But let's get to work. I will say hello to my friends and my grand students after I show you this. It's a little tricky because the letter P has a lot of curves to it. There's a forward loop where it goes toward where you're writing, forward where the way you write, from left to right, and it's got a circle for the top of the P. Okay, dip. Dip, starting on the middle line. You make a curved line down, like it's the letter A, but it's not, because it's all the way up to the top line, down on the same line. Then the I is one line up, back down on the same line. Now here's the tricky one, P. Up, down on the same line. Now, you come downstairs, but you make your loop forward, the way we write, and then a circle and a tail. Dot the I when you're finished. Dip, hip, hip. Letter H, also tricky. This is very tricky, these IP words. All right, starting from the bottom line. Backwards loop. Now carefully come down almost straight because you've got to make a little hill for the H. H for hill. On the same line, I, up on the same line, down on the same line. P, come up to the middle, back down, forward, and a circle and a tail, dot. Rip, rip. Starting on the bottom line, come to the center, make a little shelf. Don't make a curve, a curl down, because then it looks like the letter U. Don't make a curve down. It's a shelf. It's a shelf. Then come to now you do a little curve. Up on the same line, I, P, you stop, come back down, forward loop, circle, tail, cross the I. Dot the I mean. Sip, sip. I said cross because I was thinking of getting to tip. Sip. Starting on the bottom line. Slanted line up to the middle. Now a little belly. There we go. Back around on the same bottom of the belly of the S. I. Slanted line up. P. Up to the middle. Forward loop. Circle. And a tail. Dot the I. Now, the letter tip, and you're going to see how you cross the T, dot the I, and in what order you do that. Because it's important, because you want to write quickly when you write in cursive. You write very quickly. When you have your own handwriting and you're used to writing the letters, you start writing very quickly. T, starting at the bottom line, slanted line up. Back down on the same line. Now the letter I, you come up, stop in the middle, back down on the same line. P, stop in the middle, back down. Notice I did not cross the T and I did not dot the I yet. You have to wait till you finish. Now it's a forward, circle, tail, cross the T, dot the I. Oh, I didn't go all the way. Cross the T, dot the I. And that's the direction you do it in. Cross the T, dot the I, and then you would keep writing. Okay, everybody, I want to say hello to Carol and Tiffany and Asia and Joseph. Hello, grand students and rhyming timing friends. Have a nice time. Don't worry, it's 2020. We're in the house, but things will be fine. The earth has a virus and it's going to go away. It's happened before and we've survived before. It's going to be fine. Don't worry. Stay in the house. Be safe. Wash your hands. Bye.